everyone, I'm Lala Bad. Welcome today on another episode of Respect or Reject. I'm going to be reviewing this product here. This is the Hourglass Veil Eye Primer. If you're interested in seeing my thoughts and a demo, then please stay tuned. Here she goes. This is what she looks like. It's a basic eye primer. It's called the Veil Eye Primer. This product costs $28 at Sephora or Hourglass.com. You can find it at Nordstrom's, Neiman Marcus, wherever they sell high-end products. All right, so here is the claim. Amplify your eyeshadow color and its staying power with the Silky Blendable Primer. The long-wearing, lightweight formula creates an even canvas for eyeshadow and improves its performance. It improves the eyeshadow performance. Okay. We're gonna use a good eyeshadow, so we know it's gonna be good, right? Making its color more vibrant while reducing fading and creasing from morning to night. So I'm going to wear it until the end of the day, and it's 3, so I'm gonna leave my makeup on until about 8 o'clock, and that's a good 5 hours. Without further ado, girls, let's get close. Which eye should we do it on? I'm gonna say this eye here. All right, so it says to a dab will do you, and then it says to tap it on your eye, pat it on, and go all the way up to your under your brow. So I should get a brush. I feel like I should use a brush, right? All right, and it says to pat on up to your brow, and you're also supposed to let it dry, because by the way, there's a smell to it, and it reminds me of syrup. Okay, like pancake syrup, no lie. And it's sticky. But it says that you should let it dry. So okay, gotta let it dry. I don't know how long that takes, but there you go. Okay, it's evenly distributed. Ugh, that smell. I hate the smell of syrup. Okay, so it's dry. It took like less than 2 minutes. It's very dry. All right, so here is a palette I'm going to be working with. I haven't worked with this one yet. Okay. Oh, this is so daring. How dare I? All right, let me grab my good brushes, because this is a good palette. I like to use my good brushes on my good palettes. I know. Now, Natasha Denona, I usually can blend them pretty well, so that should not be an issue. So what I would usually do, if I don't do it with foundation, at least I do it with concealer. I just do it with my foundation. I have my foundation that this is the Anastasia foundation that I actually like. It looks really good on my skin. Can y'all see it? Okay, so this is how I would usually do my eye. And then I would do a setting powder. Okay, that's how I would usually do my eye, all right? So it's just an even playing field, right? But this is more vibrant. Do you see? I just want to kind of blend out that edge, but it won't let me. It won't blend out that edge. It won't blend. Do you see how it blends out here flawlessly? You see that edge? How it's blended out. And then you see this edge? Like, because I brought the stuff way up here. You would think it would blend out up there, but it won't. It won't blend out. It's really weird. Do you see what I'm saying? She's pretty. She is so pretty. Ooh. Ooh. Do y'all see the difference? I didn't even believe that. Okay, so here's the Hourglass primer side, and here's the foundation and powder side. You be the judge. All right, so I'm going to work on the bottom and finish the look off camera, and then we'll talk about what we just saw here today. So far, this is doing what it claimed to do. Let's see if it lasts. So I'm going to wear this look until the end of the night whenever I take my makeup off. All right, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, so okay, I already took my hair off. Okay, I'm done for the day. I can't wait to take this off. So here is what the shadows look like. I'm gonna take off the lashes. Okay, so do know that since I'm taking off the lashes, some product may come off. Okay, but release. Okay, look. Okay, so let me tell you something. Okay, this is why I'm so excited. Okay, this is why I'm so excited. Years and years, I have used every eye primer. I have been searching and looking for a solution for this problem right here. This problem right here is via allergies. My eyes tear up constantly, all day, every day. And as you can see, you see the inner corner right here? You see how there's eyeshadow missing? You see how there ain't right here? You see how vibrant this still looks? Now, don't get me wrong. Natasha Denona has beautiful, really beautiful, well-made shadows. But I see a difference with the primer. So, this product right here, I totally respect. This is a good one. This is a good one, y'all. This is a good one. I've been having issues with this eye, but this one has been way waterier than this eye. And for this to be having an issue, has to do with the primer. I'm gonna say 100% has to do with the primer. Because as you can see, you see how this makeup on the bottom lash line is like already all washed off because I've been having eye issues. This one not so much, but for this not to have a tear issue as much as this one was going crazy. Why isn't this side wiped away and this one is like all up? It's because of this. So I'm gonna say 100,000 million %. This is a product to respect. It's worth it. $20. It's worth it. It's worth it. And you only need a little bit. So this is going to last me for a while. Alright everyone, I hope that this video was helpful for you and your decision making process. If you was going to pick this up or not. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye!